les Olympiques, qui ont été les premières dames aux Olympiques de 1948 à Davos, en Suisse. Et c'était les premières dames au Canada de l'équipe de ski alpin à participer aux Olympiques. Par contre, elle qui disait qu'elle était si chanceuse parce que ça allait toujours bien dans leur carrière et dans leur vie, le seul moment de malchance, ils l'ont connu aux Olympiques.
Well, I think in our skiing career, of course, we've had so many marvelous things. I think the Olympics, of course, the first time we'd gone to Europe, and we had competed all through the States and out west and east and all through Canada. But going to Europe, of course, for the first time was very exciting. This is 1948, and of course we were pioneers.
We were the only two girls, and it was the first official team they had.
But we skied pretty hard with the boys and kept up very well. It was very exciting, big deep powder and stuff. And coming along near a cliff, and one of the boys, who was Pierre Jalbert from Quebec, he came down from up above, and he cut right between me and Emile. Went over the tips of my skis, and my foot grabbed and went boom like that. And I hurt Brad. Anyway, I managed to ski down, just skied down to our hotel. It was fairly close, but very steep way down. Anyway, in the meantime, Rona goes up with the team and skis, and they go back over to the Dorftalie, I guess they roamed, and her ski touched a rock underneath. It was quite, they were going down a trail and stuff. Her ski flew off, and they had strings attached.
Yep.
So and her ski went up in the air, and I came down, cracked her on the back of the head, and anyway, cut a big gash.
There was a mix-up though, because they phoned her doctor was Dr. Herman. I was Herman Fry, and hers was Dr. Carl Fry. It was a different Fry.
Oh, it was a different Fry.
So, and their names were Rhoda and Rona,
Right.
one's a foot and the other's a head. What's going on?
Alors, le lien mystérieux des deux sœurs qui leur arrive presque toujours la même chose en même temps, c'était arrivé aux Olympiques également. Parce qu'elles étaient déjà parmi les meilleures au monde à l'époque. Et les sœurs Wurtel, n'eût été de ces blessures-là, je suis convaincu qu'elles auraient remporté les médailles.